Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwana. Maybe bravo. And we say we can subscribe to the channel now. Obody say over subscribe. Obey say over click the subscribe button. Now what the notification. We have a new video or the first person what's a better. I feel we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up. Nafi also to say. Shema of Flosso now, would you be here now? Akoto and Wagana Memuhano. Affidability and similar Victoria Ponso and Wahasi. Unity and similar air corso.
Ye Kakayo, they said ye Kakai Ghana for Japadia document. Honorable Waylum in our back would one be behind Yami Yase, and a paid a make a wife. Be behind Yami Yase Ghana for Binu Edi Diwatem or Mood Diwatem. For why? For Bawumia. For Samira. Na question was ye bisa ye wone say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Bawumia nko no be ya ma wo. Wo adamfo a na se wo ya de ma adamfo kro no na ye di watem a edru bebe ese wo bisa wo ho say na me a ono nko be ya ma me na Bawumia nko nya ma wo. NAPO wo chocho mucho NAPO but wa nya ma wo. From 2011, NAPO onya mau. Afenyo maki, wuna ma afenyo maki nye sika. Wanya mau. And na afenyo maki to me defending NAPO arrogance, but when to me and defend them. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, maybe you have forgotten. Maybe ure ye finie maybe no because we the idea chen temtem. Forgiveness dear ye, but you cannot forget. You cannot forget. And you see, the sad aspect of the Nkomoya Yeboy say, they are not worth it.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
They are not worth it. Ghana for a di watem. Ghana for a di Honorable Kennedy Agyapong watem. For why? For wenum. Sebe ya nkwasi ya fuwe baba ye ya minister no mani ade girlie abade kui. Someone him send the boyfriend ye NDC. Yes, send the boyfriend and the damn pass. Ma me kanjira mo. MPP for ne been a friend last year. Ne boyfriend NDC ni Greater Accra Regional. What's the guy's position? Me the guy in the crowd photo cheremo. Very well known NDC guy. Or no na ma de kunini fie se and ne dampa ba ko se ya ye di nkomo. Ne boyfriend ne ti se ya NDC ni. We no na boken who waste time. Francis se am. Adaf omukwatira sa radio no show a na omudidi Honorable Kennedy Agyapong atem no. That day so we share program ni nyina Francis Esiam okra de enye honorable ne yere nkwa na odi o matemo o san didi Mrs. Lodina Mahama atem say Lodina Mahama sorry a ofrefra slate ne kaba na Samira de o shatare we nom en Honorable Kennedy Agyapong o bua wo mama enega na fo edidi watem. Are they worth it? Are they worth Ghana for binum now saying say we need credibility? Are they worth it? Say Ghana for binum now saying say one can no credibility. Are they worth it? Say Ghana for binum now are saying say we need integrity beam. Are they worth it? Say and the woman to say wakwa Jessica and so a car Ghana government the Honorable Kennedy Agyapong yakakitwa. Honorable Ken, no, you need to pump your brakes. So besa badachi so maybe omodachi. These people are not worth so Obama Ghana for from. The new Patriotic Party as it stands now, they are not worth it. Honorable Ken. So we would and Ghana for Jai Bawumia temdidi and Obia dia temdidi ne didi Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Boni be na we boni away yani say would the MPP for echi o pacha o ma womo and a wo campaign ama Bawumia. Ghanaians do not like it. Dachibia Sobesabas president a Ghana for na obeba. And the people are telling you that they do not like what you are doing. The same people who were screaming no Ken, no vote, they are telling you say Adiana wo ye no o she wo mabufu o mumpe. As a leader, what do? You must stop. Ruto Kenya youth nitigu abonte say wo mumpe de o ye no. Ruto has listened. Wejai. Honorable, enye MPP for nkwa na beto abama odachi so obeba biomu respectfully. Enye MPP for nkwa. Therefore, baby ayedri, damn the MPP. Nedjune wo ho, nedjune de Ghana for eka. Ghanaians are not happy with you following Bawumia. Bawumia at the moment is tarnishing your image. Bawumia's campaign is tarnishing your integrity. It is tarnishing your credibility. To the point where you
are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
The only reason why Ghana for Wontumi and from my yesho is because Ghanaians have seen say you see yendi wechi enko campaign ma Bawumia. Sammy nyina komo de aba yesho. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, these people are not worth it. And ya wona obabeshema Akufo Addo legacy be. Chebi, you see, Honorable Ken, maybe you don't understand what is going on. We have seen the Agyapong document. We know about the state capture. What you are doing campaigning for them, the translation of that, the meaning of that is that Ufwa state capture. That is why Ghanaians are angry. Yen state capture. This state capture home komo. Here you are. Instead of babedi yen Ghana for yen side na wuni yen general. O campaign ma womo. Now we understand so we a party ni. E wase we be. But the fact of the matter is that why ye be a drew baby? Like I said to your wife this morning, you have campaigned for them to the point where they have now launched their manifesto. Leave it at that. Because nothing is going to change anyway. Nothing is going to change. And the woman launch your manifesto. Why ye be? Nipa be ye be. Nipa me ye ni na. Honorable Ken. Senka ube tiye ye mubi mwa. Manensho heya. Ama de kunu momon to aso. Ma nkwasi ya fo yin to aso. Ma womu me face Ghana fo. Enye wo ena de wanim ene wanu onyam. I mean small boys ye di Bawumia chi. It me betro to social media so say his little integrity left. Almost we integrity na aka kakra bi pe. Kakra na aka no mayambo ho ban. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, we integrity no. Na woma MPP for ne di Bawumia chi say uni integrity na aka kitwa bi no. Kitwa bi na aka no papa mayambo ho ban. Mayambo ho ban se wo beba daachi o se wo mma daachi o kakra bi na aka integrity no mayambo ho ban. Let them ma wo monto aso. What more are you going to say anyway to us, Honorable Ken? What more can you say to us? What more are you going to say to us? What more? Therefore, let them do their own campaign. Abado should they told ma womo. The no Ken no vote, it still stands. These people are not worth you being insulted by Ghanaians, by the masses. The masses are insulting you. Maybe because uni internet and show no dia ye kano yen yete ha yen ye hu ne ye ka kire Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Na ade be ye ya. Say bia da chi ubesa kasa wo ba in the near future ya. Na wo beba na Ghana fo na yen trusto. And a Kennedy Agyapong kano kure and na una usanko di o machi and a fine kosi. Meanwhile, she disrespect ya Samira disrespect in the full glare of Ghana for na. Oh, Honorable Ken, your kindness is being taken for your weakness. And to pump your brakes.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Hot news all time. Whether you like it or not, whether you like it or not, we are going to manage you. You have no choice unless you come out and spell it out to us. Say President, that one you are at liberty to do whatever you want to do. But as long as we will manage you compulsory by force. We will manage you. And the management now started. These people don't deserve it. They will they will turn around and use it against you. Papa and the when people show you who they are, believe them, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. These people have showed you who they are time and time and time and time again. The problem now is you are refusing to believe them. That's the problem. You are refusing to believe them. Honorable twitwa ne bi no so. Eni die me besere wa twitwa so. They are not worth it. Like all of them, with the greatest of respect to President Kufuor, but starting from President Kufuor to the last person in the MPP, omumu wine and a year worth. So would you when Ghana for it? Like Ghana for are insulting you more than anybody else in the MPP. DNT your influence, no power. It is your influence and your power. Now that should tell you that Ghana for pewasem. I've told you a few times, Ghana for pewasem, Honorable Ken. That is why we come at you very hard when we are mistaken. It's because we love you. Honorable Ken, these people are not worth it. Certainly not Samira Bawumia, nor her husband, Dr. Bawumia, nor NAPO. They are not worth it. When it was good enough for NAPO to withhold the delegates list so that you could not become flag bearer, NAPO did just that. Like Enra, Honorable, go back and watch the video. Enra Mote Auditorium Hono. The moment you entered, Koshe Esla Owusu, Koshe Esla Enim, when Omuhu sa Woba, O approachi Bawumia no. Ya she Esla Enim, Esla Owusu, ya Renenim. When on a Ukasama Omana Anka Womo Wenia, Oma Saba Bedi post to be. Ombesen diwatem 4 years time. Ombesen diwatem 8 years time. Whenever and I just a woman be. I just when you be. Whenever I will say you would ombesen diwatem be. Kwahwe Esla Owusu enim enra emra wo approach no. Honorable Ken, per time nothing as that video. As you were approaching Bawumia, she Esla Owusu, just look at her facial expressions. Ma Georgina Mechiao. Okay, my becachero. Yanka nenye. Na me can back door. Me can have Ghana phone to say ye can. Ye can ya put in on record. Me sana me yeme niema. Ye can so that we have it on record. Say ye becachero. Yanka we. Ama de kuwe. Frances Esiam. I own to me share high heel. Block heel could own to me share. Nena se atatai. Ase oshono. Elephant. It meet nasi di watem. How comes into me hold you?
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
How comes yes you hold you shet? Wanti Christianim. So what bodam wa bodam? Oh yeah, make kaka woman na ya because a ya on a saba and I will be track campaign the show. Make kaka Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Make kaka. They are not worth it. Adia ja so would show with him say obi e wadanfo na ono onhu sa nia napo ye ne nra no so say napo ono wonam nyina ono onhu sa wo ye nadanfo o you na hwe se de napo si pia ono anya akwa mabia obi of say me body obuwa napo o dachi we num nyina ma be use nti say na ye hu na ye ka honorable twitwa ne ma bi so Twitwa maybe so and then Kwafo afreme from hifa yenra yeso ye phone call na obi papa bi say waiting from from Kwafo honorable people are not happy all over the world. Your supporters all over obi anye happy honorable Kennedy Agyapong twitwa so wa ya twitwa so. They have launched their manifesto. What boa wo to manifesto level why be Momon to asu. Mo hujuma ga yedidi wo mo watakora de honra say de yesi huro wo. Honorable Ken, you hu free. Hey, enipa. Wa na wo ka wasem video bi, na hu video bi, o say then what shall it profit a man if you gain the whole world and you lose your soul? Honorable, let me rephrase that for you. What shall it profit you, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, when you gain all the wealth? When you gain everything and you lose the respect that the people have for you. Safi Honorable Ken, and as I say now will be one will be anti will be for serious be your babies are saying a ban saying Bawumia. Everything you've worked for in your life. The Kennedy Agyapong we have known. For who? Akufo Addo. For Bawumia. Okay, I said NAPO more than about campaigning. And you have campaigned. The whole world have seen you campaigning. Obi any reason how bet me akujina baby can say ye did NAPO buy, you know. Kennedy Agyapong went against his word. No. Ye did NAPO buy, you know. We have all seen where Jinem wafu play ko ba ye campaign with the nim and ya wa sebe na ko munim nyansa mpo se so mbepa Ghana fo chew. Would now be di chow panenim that has gone in your favor. Now it is your credit. That credit goes to you. Sa credit no e ya wodia honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Obi no obetumi age sa credit na free wonsem. That ye bisa na MPP for na anko ya Akufo Addo amre so no. Why panyini be no free MPP mo bepa Ghana fo chew e ya honorable Kennedy Agyapong. We di animu wa campaign wa boa bedroom manifesto wa ye bi wa ye wa femu de twaso honorable Ken. They do not deserve it. They only smart ama Georgie na atro no ye no sere kwa omo pewasem eno omu nnim nso sa aka fe na wo mre na aso memma wo mkwan mo nsen no James Adabomechiao omu nnim se aka fe na wo mre na aso ye de ye ne yeso so ye nyaa wachiri dida no kono so de ye be ka kirewo ade na ye honorable Ken ye no amount of there's no need you continue say ugu when you say Emma Ghana for ADD watem. Again, ye honorable Ken. And one kasa wouldn't say ade ye. And ye. Ah, na ebede na ye. 4 years ago, Mama me you fee grant. Ah, otewa o kasafa Cape Coast Airport.
The in and out, minimum 5 hours. Not to mention the dangers on the road, etc., which I don't want. If I were to have an airport or an airfield in Cape Coast, direct flight, probably take me 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back. Any other incidentals, maybe an hour. Smart. So 1 hour, 40 minutes, total journey in and out of Cape Coast. Which would you tell me I should do?
Do you know the flaw in your argument?
What's the flaw?
You have an airport 3 hours away from Accra, at Ho, the Volta regional capital. Your party came into office and said that airport was useless.
Do you know why?
Because you have not flown a single aircraft to that airport.
But do you know why? Hang on.
Ho is faster.
No, there's no flaw in it. There is no flaw in it.
Okay.
Please realize that in business, everything you do, there must be underlying business cases and assumptions.
Okay.
If I take the whole area, we are yet to build a business infrastructure there that would warrant the airport. So I always question, so why did you build it in Ho? I can tell you why I built it in Cape Coast, and I'll give you
because you want votes from Cape Coast.
But I'm not doing necessarily only because of votes. Whoever did it maybe wanted votes in Ho. We want serious movement and this thing in Cape Coast.
Yeah, but what opportunities are there in the Volta region?
Mate, they want serious there in the Cape Coast, in the airport, they go to build the airport. Ghana Investment Opportunity Summit no moye no UK hano. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Omo na share chire. Me ka chire o preko. Because oba ombe she da be ka chire o. Se womo ye UK Ghana Chamber of Commerce. Enti womo ye Investment Summit enti bra. Omo boa. Your fee grant no na share sa brand nechi. So when they come and sign checks, India Exim Bank no abema wo 100 million and wo signing in the UK ha 2017 to 2018 no omo na share chiri mebo list na chira president Mahama o de medbema mu chambers no NDC note it down Ghana Investment Opportunity Summit because ombe o ma just say mobile omo be organize bi omo bua omo nyina ye Bawumia fo omo go Bawumia office e bi ni lawyer ni na no me pepo ni video chire on they are all behind the Ghana Investment Opportunity Summit. That brand it belongs to you if you grant them. President Mahama, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. There's another one called Mr. Alex Adade, Mr. Alex Dade. Omonum ena brand ni ya womodia ene lawyer Bernard Owusu num brand ni ya womodia omu na she ade na chi nti bibia and they are all in Bawumia's office Mame kanchira President Mahama Preko. Omun nara go Bawumia office. Some of them fly from the UK 2-3 times a week to come to Ghana. They are all in Dr. Bawumia's office. Menana ofri asebu Cape Coast of 4 senkamube tiyenga. Montwaba President Mahama Professor Nana J. And where they don't have Ghana at heart. Business. Remember, the MPP is a capitalist party. It's about money. Capitalism is a sika. Mo Rishi Sunak at the quota the hochre no UK hano. Billionaires conservative phone. I don't know British for the 2 or my bam. And when the COVID buy contractor that the omo chema House of Lords so for no Matt Hancock no their man girlfriend and the girlfriend the man brother and the brother be sa pepe na MPP for no so your business and to me it is sikano emma form da yemfa bi nya infrastructure da yemfa bi nya bibi business money that is MPP woman you capitalists Ghana for okay.
In the northern part of
what do you know about that?
Today. In the northern part of our country where you come from, and Amono, can you beat your chest and say, yeah, this signature project in the north?
I think the most important project in the north since independence, a Opoku Dam project.
Okay.
Is the biggest investment. So we're drawing books no since independence.
Okay. How
I check government to be by Opoku Dam. But we're here as a signature project and then EBITDA number 1. So there's no doubt about that. Opoku Dam, no, it's.
A few moments later,
I have no doubt in my mind that I was championing the Opoku Dam. We have not yet been able to do it, but by the grace of God, I believe we are going to do the Opoku Dam. It has to be done. It's a major priority because that can bring 20,000 hectares into.
What do you know about this Opoku Dam? Yeah, minority for 12 million.
I don't think so. Because you can see a economy.
Construction.
Interviews no, we are going to change the story. How can I talk about it here? Do I even know? I'm not holding the document. So that thing, I won't talk about it. I don't display my ego trips. And I'm in person, I'm intellectually dishonest. And I'm in cardia mini. Until we say me, so pass on. I haven't read the document.
Sir, my way. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Papa, I don't know Munko, Yama Munko full stage. Now, one I have froze a one full stage, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable Ken, our Papa, or here fight Bawumia conference on an uncle full stage, and for country Ghana for say, or my baby, I didn't, Yamasan go to Abama. Now, one hour more person will say, Jumanesha will come. Honorable, why you be a drew baby, you trust so, your best so. Honorable Ken, you who be on power on Crofway campaign a cheer. Yes, I am our ultimatum with the indirect ultimatum. Honorable Chasso, they don't deserve it. They do not deserve it.
I'm tired of the insult.
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, what a Pacho, any DMO. Also, or not, insult Kitweb, also why you're tired. And to only defend the party no on Opoku Dam. Would you say for when you project? Uno when nim sa atem didie nti wo mo se fa wo wanim kokoje atem didie Honorable Kennedy Agyapong twa so twitwa niema bi so papa twitwa so ono kitu e bi no I also are tired of the insults. Honorable Ken, are you not tired? Are you not tired?
Kase but then e bia to be pistol na mo na mi to no medical mo am station na mo ka sabi o ka se bia be ka se ojo wanu me obi a me ma bo bra ma 23.
Honorable Bajote, no how about the bra kakra wa bono obo ho ban. Stephen now you say am as say in shia so MP. What was the obo no ne de ho ban. Honorable bo de ho ban. Na Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Samira Bawumia, na no fiana or de kachira yesa Mahama incompetent. We will remember the bus branding. We will I don't know to be chin na sana no fiano enfenyina sa stage ni so. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Again, as Samira Bawumia, Wontumi na say nra not hobi. Saturday wa maybe. Me na menti honorable Kennedy was you honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I feel that you are going too far. Enti chuchaso. Me koto form me pawo chow honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Chucha niya me bi no mo so. Wo fa na no fia ne maya fi ni ko gina stage ni so bi. Na yentumi medi na temwe. Ono de obo ne ho ban. Wo na ko gina so ne ye medi watem. Ade no no de onko gina stage ne so. Na onko kan kire say wi ase nyina ye de ko ye penedi na tem. Ye pena kan kire say oni integrity, oni credibility. Atem de na Ghana fo di wo ye twa samira ne yetumi di sa atem de ni nyina ba be di ono. But ono de so won kasa. Wo na kwa kasa. Na owia wase twa afa wo so. No. Na Samira anti Christy won fe chen no. Anti Christy was sika chen Samira Bawumia. Anti Christy was share dia chen Samira Bawumia. Anti Christy so to me the first lady mani ye. Nja no abo ade ne yam mo anti Christy ho ban. Yam mo so mo presidency na mo first lady no ho ban. Na obet na se ma Samira Bawumia aba begu hu fi ma Ghana fo abedidi watem de wani ma ba betwitwu fam. Honorable Ken. Dem we see we am akwa so obo ne di hu ban ne bu ofu. Honorable Ken Chaso.
Page 23. Somewhere you will see final payment for construction of the Kwalago irrigation project. Yes. Kwalago irrigation project, final payments. 2-3. At the top there, you see the last but one. Final payment for the construction of the Kwalago irrigation project. The question is, I thought probably before payments are made, contractors present certificates. Because when you get to Kwalago, there's nothing there. There's no even a pool. There's no even a signboard.
What?
And if the contractor is taking $11 million, there's nothing. There is no.
Antisebio, Vice President Bawumia, Senko Niminyansa, and Robayano. Na obeka po alugu no ho asam de akere ye no na wose ka okakere se wate se enkrofo bi di $11 million yesi polu mpo ebi nsi po alugu we ya public accounts committee o enu nti o hye ye Ghana fo obo se na anu bi na okotena obi stadium Mrs Stadium okotena obi studio ho no ebi a onyane ma bi no mu wrong but o hye ye boss oba obeche nkrofo obe prosecute nkrofo. But you see, Bawumia can never say that because he was the head of the economic management team. Or where say 11 million he has gone down the drain. Question is, ain't yet nasi masika we na shi. Na yasamba be start fufuro. Na and some phobia so can and make the man and I'm paying an amity or brighter media. Yes, you was saying what was secure 2 million be 2 billion be. It was a Korea was a hill. Or the bayer said, Alugu dam use what the bayer in your name be. Sa baby wako secure no onfa wo mu details no onfa ma President Mahama baby wako secure sa asika no ommo mode anfa omu details ni nyina emma President Mahama ba obekwa ko Disáster ndi abeto projects no so because wo pa the president ni de wunni Bawumia president undi
no eti for waiting and someone abeto yin so dan ka say discipline so na wo he no se wunya subscribe ya say over subscribe na wa like na fi share video no tell ya of so opinion bi ahwe also betimi akire wa na Afriyie and some we na ho e wo comment boxing wo beti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.